In this video, I will show you how to download Night Revenge on PC or laptop. Simply go to Google and type nightrevenge.itch.io. First link should be itch.io. Click on it, or you can find it in this video description. In this website, you can find all the information about this game. When you scroll down to the comments section, you can see Buy Now button. Click on it. In new pop-up, you see you need to pay at least $1, or you can pay more to support developers. I am not going to buy it because it's only available for Windows and I am using Mac. After you pay for it, then you will be able to download. After downloading is completed, just locate folder and unzip it. Then go into folder and double-click on Game Launcher. Game should start. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.